In this video, I'm going to show how you can control and isolate the heat in order to get the steel to do exactly what you want it to do. I want to bend this leaf stem around the flower stem without the rest of the flower stem moving. And in order for me to do that, I'm going to have to isolate heat in the section that I want to move. And this is a very useful tactic to isolate the heat without bringing in another tool such as a torch. And there are many ways to complete a task properly, and it's tough to say which order of operations is the best because no smith is truly alike, and if we end up in the same place, then it really doesn't matter how we got there. Follow if you're interested in seeing how I go about performing certain blacksmithing techniques.